Kia ora koutou. Welcome everybody to week 6. It's Monday. And so we've been in level 3 lockdown. I think this is day 6, I think it is. Hope everyone had a wonderful weekend. There was a bit of sun, there was a bit of rain. So you could get outside and do a few things, but it was also a time to maybe be inside and do some inside games or movies and things like that. So I hope everyone had a wonderful weekend. Our value this week comes from perseverance. And it is giving your best in all that you do and using God's gifts that he gave you. So that means that when we take on things like jobs around the house or our school learning or maybe playing a game, we don't give 50%, we give 100%, because that's what God wants us to do, is to give everything the best that we can do. So think about that this week, using God's gifts that he gave you and persevering in what we do as well. Last week I gave you some riddles and I had some emails from children and parents actually answering the riddle. The first one was, what has an eye but can't see? And my answer, I had a needle, but some of the answers came through was all to do with hurricanes. A hurricane has an eye and obviously it can't see, so that was quite funny. And the other one we had here was, what building has the most stories? And of course that's a library. A library has lots of stories because it's got lots of books in the library. So that was the riddle last week for Friday. The riddles this week are, what runs all around the backyard but never moves? What runs all around the backyard but never moves? And the second riddle is, what has a bottom at the top? What has a bottom at the top? And your activity for today, everybody, if you've got nothing else to do, I know there's lots of home learning going on and lots of reading on Sunshine Online, which is just fantastic. The teachers are loving it. But if you've got a little bit of spare time, you might want to take on this one this morning. I call it my 5 goals for Monday. My 5 goals for Monday. So you might want to take this on. Let me just... Here's what it looks like. All I did was I took a piece of paper. Let's have a look. And here we go. You just trace your hand. So you trace your hand around like so. I can't do it because I'm holding the camera. So you trace your hand around like that. And you might want to use some different colours. And here it is here. And I'll try and... There it is there. There's my hand there. It's quite there. That's great. And then all I did was I put in 5 goals. So my 5 goals today are, I'm going to read 2 books. I'm going to make my bed. I'm going to do 15 star jumps. Play with my cat. And also help make dinner. So those are my 5 goals for Monday, and then I did that there. So if you want to have a go at that, and remember, look out for each other, look out for your mums and dads, whoever looks after you at home, and we'll be back at school soon, I am sure. God bless, and remember our school value is all about perseverance this week.